two types of meditation. One is for gaining insight, that your mind becomes very focused. In the northern and southern traditions, your mind becomes very focused, either using the breath, using an object, or using a tantric deity. Why? When you bring your mind to the breath, you can carry that with you everywhere. It's in your body. You have to breathe. It's very easy. You can do that in the forest, you can do it at home. It's very easy. Because in the northern tradition of Vajrayana, breath meditation is very prevalent. And there are special types of breath meditation, especially associated with the 6 yogas of Naropa or Vajrayogini. Very powerful. That totally transforms and heals your body. The southern tradition has that too. Why? That all came from Lord Buddha. But you see, if you meditate on your breath, it is an object that's inanimate, that is not a Buddha, it's not anything except a method. If you meditate on your breath, it is to develop one pointed concentration. And that concentration is to be increased where awareness increases and increases to the point where you actually can recall minute details. Your senses become very clear. That itself is a tool for analytical meditation. And when your senses become very clear, your eyes, your ears, your thoughts become very clear, and your memory becomes very sharp, it is a tool. It is not an end. It is not an end. It is a tool. And people become misguided by that. People who reach higher levels of Vipassana meditation, they even see lights. Definitely. They feel very calm. They can stay in meditation for hours, some for days. That's wonderful. But that's not the purpose of that meditation. Because there are meditators in Tibet who can stay in meditation 10, 15, 20 days, not moving, in great bliss, happiness. They don't even need to eat. That's nothing amazing. Nothing. Why? Bears can hibernate a whole season without eating, without moving, without doing anything negative or killing. Bears can do that already. So if we just use the holy Vipassana meditation simply that we can sit there for 10 hours, 12 hours in bliss, we're just basically a mini bear. What's the point? So to show off to people and say, oh, I do meditation and I don't have to eat and I can stay focused and my mind's very happy, that's wonderful. For stupid people like me, we feel very happy. We go, wow. But to the great masters, they go, oh, let's go to the next level now. You've developed a tool, not an end. So when we focus on a Buddha, when we focus on an enlightened being for the same meditation, the object of your mind is to hold it on an object so it doesn't move. The object is not the point. Southern tradition uses breath. Northern tradition uses breath and or different deities. The different deities in their color and their arms and their eyes correspond to different psychological symbolism within our own body, developed by the Buddha. So therefore, if we concentrate on Lord Buddha to develop that, that will be more virtuous than just the breath. Why? Because when we focus on Lord Buddha is an enlightened being, we can gain merits, as opposed to just the breath. I'm not criticizing the breath. I'm telling you there are different methods for different people.